This is our RHD 6x4 used dump truck. Here, our technicians are testing it before sending to the port. The first test is to ensure its hydraulic system is in good condition. We can see that the bucket is lifted smoothly, and the lowering is also very smooth. You can have a look. Now, we are testing the truck's traveling and turning. No issues. Truck horn, lights, vapors, running fine. The truck engine sounds perfectly. New gas tank is installed. The lift springs is very thin, which is the standard configuration of a heavy-duty truck. The oil-water separator and other filter elements are all replaced with new ones.